English alphabet. A for apple. A-double-P-L-E apple. B for ball. B-A-double-L ball. C for cat. C-A-T cat. D for dog. D-O-G dog. E for elephant. E-L-E P-H-A-N-T elephant. F for fish. F-I-S-H fish. G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S grapes. H for hat. H-A-T hat. I for ice cream. I-C-E C-R-E-A-M ice cream. J for jug. J-U-G jug. K for kite. K-I-T-E kite. L for lion. L-I-O-N lion. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O mango. N for nest. N-E-S-T nest. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E orange. P for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K peacock. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N queen. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. S for sun. S-U-N sun. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R tiger. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A umbrella. V for van. V-A-N van. W for was. W-A-T-C-H was. X for Xmas. X-M-A-S Xmas. Y for yast. Y-A-C-H-T yast. Z for zebra. Z-E-B